on with Beyond Meat, guys. It's been a while. Last time we updated last week. And as we discussed before, we have a huge jump, 14%. Right now, we have another jump, 3%, and the price is consolidating and confirming my point before. We said there's a strong support and there's a buyer, and still whale is still holding the price. So in today's video, we have to discuss where the price will go from there. Before we go further, remember our content is always for educational purposes only. So let me just show you what's going on. 3% for Beyond Meat for today. Not bad, because we got near a huge bottom, which is here, 69, and the 64, which is the bottom. The good thing is we are accumulating before the bottom, which means the big buyers still buying this dip every time. And the last two time it bought big time, it was on Wednesday, it was on Thursday last week, and here we're waiting for another buy pressure, and the fourth time hopefully we break the 82, and this is will be the mini squeeze for Beyond Meat to go at least this time toward the $1 psychological level. So one of you saying, or many of you saying, I'm giving up on Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is dead. There's no chance. There's only one chance right now to break the 82 and go toward the $1. So if we saw the $1, would be at least a good sign that Beyond Meat is not dead yet. Because, guys, many stocks need a bit of time for a huge reversal. Let me just give you an example. One of the stocks that we discussed last year, and it took a lot of time to jump, it was barcoding here in December. It was MAIA, and the price after that jumped double from the 170 until the $3.14 in a span of 1 month. So in trading, guys, you need to be patient. And let me just show you, because we did this update on our Discord last year in December. This is one of the good trade that we waited for a few months. We did it on December, I think, and the price jumped in January. Here, December, and right there, yes, over there, yes. Mia, it was on the 10th of December. We said the price, it was around the 137, and we did the short here. The price was around the 145, and we hit the $2, and we hit the $3 actually, because we went until the $3.16. You see? So those kind of play, we always do it on our Discord and Bitcoin link comment section below. For Beyond Meat, we're gonna do the same update. Of course, if we broke the 82, even in the after hours or pre-market, we're gonna do the short update for you guys for how to play it and how to exit from the trade once we hit the $1, because right now there's still chance for another squeeze up.